want to check in with Ryan Breton. Ryan, there is something to be said about a snow system that comes in while most people are at home and asleep.
Yes.
Yeah, it's funny. Even though there are snow showers in the forecast for tomorrow too, I think the vast majority of us, this is a storm that's overnight, and you can shovel and plow, and getting around tomorrow should be okay.
Sleep through it.
Right. And one round of shoveling, hopefully, for most
Right,
people.
for
That's
most
good, too.
people. Eastern Maine, you might have a couple
Yeah.
rounds. We'll break that down. But I think southern and central Maine, it's not going to be much of a problem past daybreak tomorrow. These are the start times tonight. Now, I know it's sunny now, but things will change in a pretty quick way from west to east through the night. I think in southern and central Maine, it's about 6 to 9 o'clock, and then 9 to midnight as you get into greater Bangor and around Penobscot Bay. The white you see here, that's the snow covering the ground. The white you see moving in from the west, those are the clouds, and they'll continue to thicken up as the afternoon progresses. Really nice out there now, though. Very little wind, 20s to low 30s all across the state. Here's the area of snow back to the west. You can see it right here, and it gets a little intense once it gets going, which is why I think we'll have a pretty good burst for a couple hours tonight. 4 o'clock, still dry statewide. 7 o'clock, though, snow developing in western Maine, snowing over in New Hampshire, and probably coming down at a pretty good clip in the Lakes region and Mount Washington Valley by 7 o'clock. This keeps moving east, so 9 o'clock tonight, steady snow over the western half of the state. If you do have any reason to be out around 9 or 10 o'clock tonight in these areas, the roads will already be snow covered and slippery. By 11, we get snow into Bangor and Bar Harbor, and then after midnight toward the border with New Brunswick. Now watch what happens after midnight, though. A lot of this snow shifts to the east and north, so that's why in most of southern and central Maine, I think after the cleanup tomorrow morning, it should be fine getting around through much of the day. It's going to be cold, yes, in the morning, but we should get back up to about freezing midday. So if you have any reason to travel, maybe have an appointment or whatnot, this strikes me as a delay type of situation in southern and central Maine. Eastern and northern Maine, though, we have snow showers that continue off and on even into tomorrow evening. Doesn't wrap up there completely until tomorrow night. But on top of what's on the ground, it's probably just a couple of additional inches that will fall during the day tomorrow. 3 to 6 should do it for most. And again, these areas you can shovel and plow first thing in the morning, and other than a stray snow shower, you're pretty much done. I think that for the evening shows tonight, we may add a 6 to 8 area in eastern Maine. Just want to see a couple of the late range or short range runs close to the event to see if they keep focusing in on this area. But that's your best bet for more than 6, where it keeps snowing off and on through the day tomorrow. Storm system pulls away on Thursday, and it's quiet for both Thursday and Friday. Pretty nice winter days. Looks like this front will come down from the north on Saturday with a chance for some snow showers, but that's all it would be, just some snow showers on Saturday. Seas this afternoon, 2 to 3 feet with a northwest wind, 5 to 15 knots on the water. So enjoy the sun while we have it the next few hours. Clouds will be racing in late this afternoon. A burst of snow tonight that tapers off for most of us by morning, but there still are some lingering snow showers tomorrow, especially down east and up north. Partly sunny on Thursday, mostly sunny for Friday, and the afternoon highs crack freezing both of those days. In fact, you might get into the upper 30s on the coast on Friday. Chance for a few snow showers on Saturday. Sunday looks fine. There is a storm out there for Monday of next week, guys, but right now most of the data suggests that stays away from us, but we'll watch it for another day or two just in case.
Well, those temperatures at least should help with the cleanup after the snow.
Absolutely, yeah. This is not going to be like frigid immediately after the snow, which is something we've had so many times
Right.
this winter. Yeah.
Good news there.
All right,
Yeah.
Ryan, thank you.